Good morning. We're ready to some large storm connections. Alright, enjoy the video.
I'm going to cut off my past.
I won't let you do that! I learned everything from people of the past! It's because I had my friends that I was able to keep moving forward! They're what created the me that's here now! I'm never gonna let you cut that away!
Then, you must know what you need to do.
A calamity has befallen the River of Time. An incident affecting the course of human history. That is to say, the erasure of history. A ninja world with no history is no ninja world. A ninja world with no history is devoid of humanity.
You home? Good. You are now streaming me playing Storm Connections on PC. I'm going to stream like the first chapter real quick.
The Book of Transcendence, which you composed long ago, now lies forgotten and unknown.
I just started.
History must be resurrected. Yet to accomplish this, we require a foundation whereupon its path will be retraced.
How much time do you have?
Therefore, we shall weave this foundation together. We must once again set to paper the verses of this long-forgotten book. Let us begin.
Right here.
From here forth, history will be the circumstances of his.
Forgot that guy.
Within the land of fire, the being known as the Nine-Tailed Fox Spirit descended upon the Hidden Leaf Village. The fourth, with the spirit, time passed.
Of the 27 graduates, only 9 will be accepted as genin. And the chance that you'll fail is at least 66%.
That can't be! What was the graduation test for anyway?
Oh, that? Just to select potential genin candidates.
What? What the? Well, I'm not gonna be weeded out. Ha, not finished yet. I'm not that easy to beat.
I can do it when it counts!
What the? For what it's worth, that was pretty good.
You're better than I thought.
Let me give you. No escape.
So this is it. All right.
Huh? But
I wasn't testing your individual
Teamwork?
in the nin, but, and I think you. All right.
Competing again, despite holding, and so began the now official.
don't hold us back, Sasuke. Here, take this.
That's what you're here for, loser. Let me give you.
All right, here I come. Stay away. I'm
Fire style! Fireball! No escape!
Stay away. Leave it to me.
I fight for someone who is precious to me. I live for him and face death for him. So his dream may become reality. I'll defeat anyone who interferes with Zabuza, no matter who it is.
God, I won't let those important to me get hurt.
In the midst of
Why? I didn't ask you to.
while Naruto and Sasuke were occupied with Haku, Kakashi was also locked in.
A faker like you could never.
For the land of wait. Zabuza, you can't defeat me.
I
I fight because of my ambitions.
You're too dangerous. I'll have to stop you here.
Here I come! Right here!
Better back off.
Water style! Fire style! Fireball jutsu!
You got a little too ambitious.
Why can't I keep up?
You can't beat me in your current state. Farewell, demon.
Lightning blade! Twin lightning shiver! Let's get this over with already. This is the end. Too slow. Here I come! Here I come! Lose.
Zabuza, you can't defeat me.
I fight because of my ambitions.
You're too dangerous. I'll have to stop you here.
Right here! Too slow. There!
You got a little too ambitious.
Why can't I keep up?
You can't beat me in your current state. Farewell, demon.
Too slow. Fire! Here I come! Lightning blade! Fire style! Fireball jutsu!
Lose.
The Chunin exam.
If you're my opponent, I've already won!
Here, take this! One day I'll be Hokage. So losing here's not an option.
You, Hokage? Keep dreaming!
Never underestimate me.
That's better than I thought.
Not finished yet. I'm not that easy to beat.
Don't get too cocky!
Here, take this.
As the Chunin...
You can't defeat me. It's not your destiny.
Not losing to some coward who goes on about destiny or whatever.
I look forward to your look of despair when you realize the truth.
Over here.
Not too shabby.
I'm not losing to you of all people. Not a chance.
There you are.
Orochimaru is reanimating them? This is terrible! Disrespecting the dead and manipulating time.
Don't let them kill you too quickly. How dull that would be.
Crushing the Leaf Village. I didn't know the Sand were on the move. Also part of your plan. Lifestyle! Massive combo jutsu!
History is always progressing. Sarutobi Sensei. Anything you try is too late. And the Leaf Village will fall.
I'll take on anyone to test my strength.
Show me power. Here! Now, make me feel alive.
No escape.
What's wrong? Haven't had my fill yet. Go on, entertain me more. I know you can do this.
No escape. You're pushing your luck. Here! Fire style! Fireball jutsu!
Get crushed! What?
I'll take on anyone to test my strength.
Show me power. Now, make me feel alive. What's wrong? Haven't had my fill yet. Go on, entertain me more. I know you can do this.
Fire style! Fireball! You're pushing your luck.
Use. In the same way as Naruto, Gaara hosted within his body a one-tailed, the only bonds that Gaara shared. As Naruto fought, Gaara fought for himself only.
I see someone I'd like to smash! What's the matter?
Yo, Demon, where's Bob? Yo, hey, hey. Yo,
Out of my way!
Shadow Clone Jutsu!
Do not mess with me! I'm not going anywhere! Fly high! Wind style air bullets! You won't get away! I'll crush you! But how? What makes him so strong? Fly high! Wind style air bullets! You won't get away! Vanish! Why would you go so far? Water style! Liquid bullets! Hold on tight! Totally cut!
I'm coming!
Not over!
Not gonna lose, you hear me?
This is it!
You stupid beast! It's almost unbearable, isn't it? The feeling of being alone. But I have people in my life now who are important to me. I care more about them than I do myself, and I won't let anyone hurt them.
Digging into his final ounce of strength, Naruto caught Gaara flush on the cheek with a full-force blow. But it was not hatred that was behind the attack. It was the sympathy that only one who had shared similar experiences could express. The damage caused by Orochimaru's plot to destroy the Hidden Leaf was catastrophic.
Feels just like you said. Here! So bitter. So full of hate. I vowed to kill you. That's all I live for. Any connection I have ends here and now.
You're nothing but a nuisance to me here.
This way. No escape. Too slow. One power. Itachi. Uchi. Get ready to die.
As they trained, they continued.
Naruto, you're always prancing about saying you'll be Hokage. Let's see you prancing now. How about? Little brats think life's so easy. That's why they go on and on about their stupid dreams. Never giving up.
I won't lose, no matter what!
What? Just look at me, Mr. Time to shut you up. Are you scared, kid? Feel like one. No matter how much you showboat, you're still just an adorable little guinea. Kids never know when to throw in the towel. Sometimes it's just better to run.
Just keep pushing. No way I go back on my word.
Shadow Clone Jutsu!
Kids should act like...
With Tsunade as
What the heck is Orochimaru after?
My lord has acquired an immortality jutsu, but it doesn't mean his body will last forever. Before his body decays, he has to find a strong, fresh body as a new vessel for his soul.
Are you saying he'll use Sasuke's body?
Yes, exactly.
No way, not Sasuke! I can't let you do this!
I won't allow you to reach Sasuke Uchiha. He is to be the vessel of Lord Orochimaru.
Out of my way!
How could I?
And
I'm going to Orochimaru.
Psycho just wants to use your body as a vessel. You might never come back. So, yeah, you think I'm just gonna sit back and watch you go there?
My own goals are all that matter.
Can't do this! I'll take you back by force if I have to! Don't you even think of me as a friend anymore? I know that neither of us ever said anything, but I always thought of us as friends. Naruto! Uzumaki! 2K? Why? Why don't you get it? Sasuke! Arise!
Why would you go this far for me?
I finally feel connected to someone. That's why I have to stop you!
Naruto unleashed the nine-tailed fox's chakra in the hopes of stopping his friend, while Sasuke activated his curse mark and awakened its second state.
Let's just end this. And all Naruto!
Sasuke!
In a clash demanding all of their might, Rasengan dueled with Chidori. The moment had finally arrived to conclude their desperate struggle. But Naruto's feelings didn't reach Sasuke. And he collapsed to the ground in front of him, unconscious. But Sasuke chose not to take Naruto's life. He left in search of a different, superior power to that of his brothers. And so, the mission to recover Sasuke ended in bitter failure. The struggle between two friends, walking two different paths, continued on like a river without end.